Hello friends, how are you all? In this video lesson, we are going to discuss very exciting and useful video lesson, that is conjunction. Overall, in this video lesson, we are going to discuss what is conjunction, the types of conjunctions, and coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. These are very important friends. Don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Welcome to Sri Spoken English. This is Srinivas and this video lesson 69. What is conjunction? Friends, observe carefully the title conjunction. Junction means the place which connects two places, right? So in the English grammar also, in the same way, conjunction is a word that joins or connects two words or phrases or clauses together. You can use a conjunction to link words, phrases, and clauses. Example, Vijay and Sanjay are the best friends. In the first example, Vijay and Sanjay, these two words connected by the conjunction word and. Yes. Observe the second example. My bike key is on the table or in the cupboard. So here two phrases like on the table, in the cupboard are joins together with the conjunction or. Let us take the third example. Though she studied hard, she could not get first rank. In the third sentence, which is the conjunction, friends? Yes, you're right. Though is the conjunction. Here, she studied hard and she could not get first rank. Two clauses are combined together with the conjunction though. So friends, don't think conjunction always should come between the words. Sometimes the conjunction comes beginning of the sentence also. Friends, these conjunctions also known as connectors because conjunction connects two phrases or clauses. It is also known as linkers because it can link two words or phrases. So friends, basically conjunctions, there are three types of conjunctions in English grammar. They are conjunctions, first one, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. So basically there are three types. Yes, what are the coordinating conjunctions? Let us have a brief look. Coordinating conjunctions, for example, for, and, nor, but, or, at, and so. So these coordinating conjunctions also we can memorize easily the famous acronym fanboys. See every letter of these conjunctions F, A, N, B, O, Y, S. Fanboys. F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, and O stands for or, and Y at, and S stands for so. So these famous acronym, we can memorize for a long time. Fanboys. Coordinating conjunctions are fanboys. For example, for example, we listened eagerly for he bought news for our families. Next, and of course, she didn't speak to anyone and nobody spoke to her. And nor, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. But They rushed to the hospital, but they were too late. Or I will go shopping or I will go camping. Yet, Cali was a convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. Next, so I was feel hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. So friends, these are coordinating conjunctions. Yeah, we can remember these coordinating conjunctions with the famous acronym. Yeah, what is that? Fanboys. Next, we move on to the subordinating conjunctions. These are, yes, especially these are divided into simple categories. Yeah, some subordinating conjunctions describes comparison. They are than, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas. These are, yeah, described about the comparison. Next, we can move on to the some subordinating conjunctions. Yeah, these conjunctions describing the time, after, as soon as, until, whenever, now that. Next, concession. So in our daily speech, so we can, yeah, sometimes we can use these conjunctions: though, although, even though. Relative pronouns: who, whoever, whom, whomever, whose. These are relative pronouns. Of course, some subordinating conjunctions describes the reason. If you ask why are you doing like this? Yeah, to give answer for that questions, yeah, reason, because, since, so that, in order to, as. Next, we move on to the some other subordinating conjunctions. Condition. Yeah, conditional sentences like see, if, only if, unless, provided that, assuming that. Next, yeah, places. Some subordinating conjunctions, yeah, indicate the places. Example, where, wherever, wherever you go, my network follows. This is the city where I born. So just like we can use such examples, and some subordinate conjunctions, yeah, also, of course, they are relative adjectives: that, whatever, which, whichever. And next, some subordinate conjunctions describes the manner: how, as though, as if. These are subordinating conjunctions. Next, we move to the correlative conjunctions. What are the correlative conjunctions? Correlative. So these conjunctions always should together two words. Example, both and, either or, neither nor, whether or, not only but also. Not only but also. Yeah, such that, and some other examples. Yeah, they are. Let us have brief look with some other suitable examples. Both and, first one, both and. The company deals in both hardware and software. See here, we can use the correlative conjunction both and. So the two conjunctions together with a sentence, that is called correlative conjunctions. Next, we move on to the second one, either or. I will eat either carrots or peas for dinner. Next, neither nor. Natalie likes neither milk nor cream cake. That means she doesn't like both, neither nor. That gives negative meaning. Next, whether or. Example, do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? Next, not only but also. So that means both. For example, he not only studied hard but also works well. Yeah, so he studied hard and works well, both. Next, such that, yeah, it's such a tiny kitchen that I don't have to do much to keep it clean. Next, scarcely when. Yeah, this is most important. Scarcely when. How do we use in example? Scarcely had she entered the room when the phone rang. Next example, no sooner than. Yes, how do we use in example? No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. So these are the beautiful correlative conjunctions which we can use in this way. So thank you friends. I think these conjunctions will help you to develop your spoken English as well as your writing skills even. So thank you very much for your support and keep watching our videos and keep learning English. So thank you and catch you later in next video.